Imagine getting an instant telegram message as soon as your baby cries. Let's see a demo. Now I'll show you how to make step by step your own cry detection system. No expensive baby monitor systems, just ESP32-CAM, mic and a few lines of code. So let's straight away get started with the connections. These are the only components we need, which are low cost and easily available. Here's how you can connect everything. The details will be given in the description link. Please check down. Now coming towards the Telegram. First, let's install the app Telegram through App Store or Play Store. So once you install it, just open it. Now it's time for us to create a bot. So search for bot father and then give a command new bot. Now set the username something unique that ends with a bot. Once done, bot father will give you authentication code. Keep it safe because this is what you're going to use in ESP32 code. After copying your unique authentication code, now it's time for us to create the chat ID. This is how Telegram will get to know where the message should be sent. So for this you'll have to search for user info and then give command start. So as soon as you give a command start, you'll get this ID and you'll have to copy this to put in our code. Now we will connect everything in the code. If you find any error while uploading the code, I have provided playlist to overcome all the errors with ESP32. Please go through that in the description. Now ESP32-CAM will continuously read the sound levels from the mic of INMP441 through I2S interface. If the amplitude increases above 50 decibel, it will send an alert message saying baby is crying. It sends a HTTP post request to Telegram's API. You can even extend this to send a photo from ESP32-CAM to Telegram. All the code and complete description is given in the link below. Please check out. And that's how you make your own cry detection system. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also join our Instagram Friday quiz. I announce the winners in every next videos.